This video, I'll show you how to run ads for your Shopify store on both Facebook and Instagram using the Meta Ads platform in 2025. So whether you're launching a new product or scaling your business, this tutorial will walk you through every step. So first log into your Shopify admin. So this is the Shopify. So as you can see, I'm not yet logged in here because Shopify requires you to buy a plan in here in order to access their Shopify admin dashboard. So let's assume that we are logging in here. So now go to the settings and then under the settings, apps and sales channels, and then search and install the Facebook and Instagram by Meta app, and then follow the setup instructions to connect your Facebook account, business manager, ad account, Instagram business profile, and product catalog. So this integration allows you to sync your products and track performance directly from your Shopify. Still, in the Meta app shop setup in Shopify. So make sure Meta Pixels is enabled. So this tracks user activity on your site so you can retarget visitors and optimize performance. And you can also check this later in Meta Events Manager. So now let's head over to the Meta Ads Manager. So this is the Ads Manager in here. So after that, click the create button. So click this, and in here, choose a campaign objective. It could be awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, promotion, sales, or whatever you like in here. So just to give you an example, I'm going to choose the sales. So click continue, and then after that, after creating your campaign and after choosing a objective, at this stage, you'll need to define your target audience in here. So let's close this. So in here, you'll need to define your target audience. For example, location, age, gender, interest, and then set your schedule and budget and then choose a placement. You can select both Facebook and Instagram or customize them individually. And then link to your Shopify product or landing page. So make sure your Shopify pixel is selected for tracking. So choose your ad format. It could be single image or carousel or video, and then upload your visuals, write your headline and description, and then select to a call to action like shop now or learn more. So make sure your visuals are mobile friendly and highlight your product's value. So preview how your ad will appear on Facebook feed, Instagram stories, and other placements. So once everything is set up, click publish, and then Meta will review your ad. So if approved, it'll go live usually within a few hours, and then you can monitor performance in Meta Ads Managers or directly inside your Shopify marketing dashboard. And that's how you run ads for your Shopify store on Facebook and Instagram. So with consistent testing and right creative, this can help you reach more customers and boost your sales. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.